So hi everyone, in this video we will see how can we add Swagger UI uh, for testing your APIs locally. So since .NET 9, so the Microsoft is not giving you Swagger UI by default. So we need to add it if you want to explore it. Basically it is giving you something like this where you can test your APIs locally, but it will not give you any UI for interacting with your endpoints clearly. So for a beginner to explore all the endpoints using UI, you can have something called as Swagger, which allows you to explore your APIs in detail, responses, your payload for the API and everything. So yeah, how can we add the Swagger to your web API project? So here you can see there is a project habittracker.api, which is web API project that I have created. So this is everything is new. I have not added anything to this project. So basically the .NET will give you a simple project with one API. So currently if I run this project, you will not see any Swagger. As you can see, the build is completed, but you can't see anything. So how can I add this Swagger to it? So before anything else, you need to have a package which is called as Swashbuckle. How can we install that package? So basically in Visual Studio you have uh, something called as NuGet Package Manager. You can access NuGet Package Manager by just right clicking on this and going to manage NuGet packages. Or otherwise you can access it from tools also, I guess. Yeah, from here you can do the same. But let us come here, go to the browsing section and just type swashbuckle, and be careful while installing the package. You don't want you don't want Swagger, you want swashbuckle.asp.NET Core. So yeah, install this package into your project, which is habittracker.api. I'm installing this and it is finished, I think. Yeah, it is finished. So let me close this and close this. So this is the first step, which is installing the swashbuckle package into your project. Then go to program.cs. You need to have some lines of code for using that package into your project. So before building the project, you need to add the service basically into the build. So you need to add the service. As I said, add the service. I don't want to add controllers. I want endpoints explorer. Yeah, this one, endpoints explorer. Then builder dot services, sorry, builder dot services dot swagger gen, I think. Yeah, add swagger gen. This is done. These two things are required as part of your build. Then after the build is completed and you're running the project, if it is running under the means locally, if the project is running locally, then you need to add something called as Swagger. Use Swagger. Eh, it is not autocorrect. I don't know why. App dot use Swagger UI. That is the main purpose of this, right? Yeah, it is done. I understood. So these are the things that we need. Another thing which is very much important while launching the project, all the specification settings are present in launch settings.json. So if you go there, if you're running under HTTP, browser is false. We don't want the browser, it is saying, but we want it, right? So make it true, and here also you need to make it as a true, and the application will run under the localhost 5044. And yeah, I think we are good to go. Let us run it. Yeah, you can see it. Don't worry, you need to just append the URL with something like this. So you can see the Swagger UI, and also you can